Hi, I'm Dr. Cary Goldstein. I'm the founder of the Goldstein Dental Center here in Atlanta, Georgia. One of my favorite ways to get a crown that fits really, really well, especially in the posterior area where the smile line is not going to see it, is to put a bevel around the margin. That's a 45-degree bevel using your pointed diamond, and it goes circumferentially around the entire tooth. That's the ferrule effect that's going to give you a much better fit of any crown margin whatsoever, is that beveled margin. So we're just going to take our burr and we're going to put it parallel, maybe at a little bit of an angle, and we're going to gently come across. And that's all there is to it. That's going to give you the best fitting crown, and if you've got a short tooth, it's going to give you a clinical crown that's going to hold on better than any other crown. So that's the metal ceramic with a porcelain over the occlusal and a circumferential metal margin for retention.